What's up, everybody? Justin here with bearzapperbbq. Hope you're having a great day. It's the weekend. I want some steak, and I'm going to show you very simple, easy tips to create the most flavorful, juicy, tender steak ever. We're going to do it on the egg. Stay tuned. Alright, so what's the best way to make an amazing ribeye? Well, definitely on the big green egg, and definitely starting with that W sauce and ending with that guys, absolutely friggin' killer AP rub. Alright, we got those ribeyes up to about 125. We took the deflector plate, the convector off. Look at that flame. Just letting the grate heat up just a bit, and I'm going to toss it right on. Get ready. Listen. Shh. Oh yeah. Love it. And boom. Woo. Now we sear. Beautiful coloring. Beautiful cook. Let's dive in. And there we go. Beautiful color. Look at that. Super tender. Oop. I mean, you can't go much better than this. Incredible. Bon appetit.